This is one of the highest end safari lodges in all of Uganda. Welcome to the Nkuringo Bwindi Gorilla Lodge. In today's video, I'm going to showcase this luxury retreat, highlight its environmental features, and tell you what it's like to stay here. If you don't know me, my name is Jeff Heyer and I'm a safari travel advisor. This means I create custom tailored itineraries for clients traveling to wildlife destinations all across Africa. This includes places like Uganda. If you want to book your Uganda safari, reserve your gorilla trekking permits, and stay in places like this on your trip, I'd love to arrange everything for you. Fill out the safari inquiry form linked in the description below to get in touch with me. I can't wait to hear from you. As a safari advisor, I review and feature lodges all across Africa to make sure you're staying in the best of the best on your safari. I love to find immersive experiences for nature lovers, and that's what brings me to this gorgeous property today. Most people traveling to Uganda are here to see the wild mountain gorillas. Bwindi Impenetrable Forest is a perennial rainforest that's one of only 2 remaining ecosystems in the world where you can find these majestic creatures. Wildlife enthusiasts like me travel here from all around the world to witness them among the rest of Bwindi's incredible biodiversity. An important part of ensuring you have a positive experience exploring Bwindi's natural wonders is making sure you're staying in a safe and comfortable base camp. A place to come back to after long days of exploration where you can settle, rest, and relax. Perhaps one of the finest stays in this region of Uganda is here, the Nkuringo Bwindi Gorilla Lodge. In Bwindi, there are 4 starting points where eco-tourists embark on gorilla tracking experiences. This lodge is located right near the Nkuringo checkpoint. The lodge offers a variety of room types, each of them secluded and self-containing, designed to blend comfort with the wilderness outside. From cozy cottages to luxurious suites, every room provides a serene haven amidst the beauty of Bwindi. There are so many details in these rooms to admire, especially the art. Our bathroom had this mural of a crowned crane, which is the national bird of Uganda. I loved staring it in the eye every time I used the loo. The porch faced the mystical Bwindi Impenetrable Forest, such a stunning vantage of this place. We are right next to the home of the gorillas. Perched on the highest hill is the main reception. Stepping inside, we were greeted by a warm atmosphere that reflects the local craftsmanship and hospitality. Outside, the lodge boasts a beautiful garden that spills over the hill. When the view cleared up for us, we got to see all the way into Rwanda and the DRC from here. That is Mount Sabinyo, and that is where 3 countries intersect. This insanely beautiful garden not only enhances the lush ambiance, but also supplies fresh produce for our meals. Staying here is a culinary experience where you can indulge in farm-to-table dining. The chefs incorporated these herbs and vegetables into our meals, and it was so nourishing. If something wasn't picked right on the property, they used other locally sourced ingredients. This would include mushrooms harvested from neighboring communities. While traveling in this area, we did get to see what these mushroom farms look like nearby and try a variety of them in our dishes. This lodge is perfectly tailored for those here to explore Bwindi. After long hikes, you can unwind and enjoy the spa amenities. There is complimentary laundry, so the staff will make all your trekking gear look brand new. When we arrived at this lodge after a long day hike in Bwindi, we handed over our boots and found them later that day squeaky clean, drying by the fire. I swear they looked cleaner than when I got them. Beyond its natural beauty, the lodge is committed to sustainability. Solar power and rainwater harvesting are just a few ways they minimize their environmental footprint. The lodge also employs local staff, which supports local communities. Huge thank you to the entire team here for the exceptional hospitality. This was truly a stay we will never forget, and the staff played a huge role in this experience. This lodge is where nature and luxury come together to create a harmonious retreat in one of the most biodiverse places on the planet. I hope you enjoyed this lodge tour and feel inspired to stay here yourself. Don't forget, if you want to stay in places like this and have your entire Uganda itinerary arranged for you, send me a safari inquiry. My contact details can be found in the description below this video. Join me for more wildlife adventures and safari lodge reviews. I appreciate you subscribing to this channel and allowing me to bring you valuable content. I'll see you next time.